Darrow, early, it's taken by Eternal Flame. It's Eternal Flame brushing up his Totis best down on the inside is Tiger Moon. Elgin and Chairman alongside is Bohemian Dave and Street Bump. Eternal Flame by some 2 lengths followed by Totis Best from the outside. Tiger Moon sneaking by Darrell. Passing the half-mile post, Eternal Flame by a length and a half, followed by Tiger Moon. Totis Best is racing third from the outside and a long way back to Elgin Sherman. Rounding the far turn, Eternal Flame by 3/4 of a length, Tiger Moon. Then here comes Totis Best. Nearing the last 500, Eternal Flame by a length and a half, Tiger Moon and Totis Best from the outside as they race the final corner. Eternal Flame by a length and a half. Tiger Moon is down on the inside, Totis Best on the outside. Tiger Moon by Darrell, Eternal Flame, Totis Best on the outside. It's now Tiger Moon and finally Tiger Moon. Eternal Flame, Totis Best, Elgin and Sherman. Number 5, Bohemian Dave and Street Bump comes last.